Your search for the perfect place in Aberdeen ends here. Introducing Caledon Court, an ultra-luxurious yet affordable stay that is sure to redefine your perception of an ideal abode. Choose from a range of en-suites and studios, each meticulously designed and tastefully furnished to cater to all your needs. With a variety of amenities, Caledon Court promises to make your stay nothing short of perfect. Whether you fancy a refreshing dip in the on-site pool or a competitive round of table football in the games room, there's something for everyone. Bid farewell to daily chores with the in-house laundry facility and indulge in your favorite movies at the on-site cinema room. Finding the perfect balance between your academic pursuits and social life is effortless with a dedicated study area and exciting social events hosted by this remarkable abode. And the cherry on top? Utility bills are included, saving you a substantial amount of money. In terms of location, Robert Gordon University and the James Hutton Institute are conveniently nearby, ensuring your academic aspirations are easily attainable. Craving your morning caffeine fix? Just a stone's throw away, Thymouth Cafe awaits with its aromatic brews. For those with an appetite for international cuisine, Tapestry Restaurant and the Bothy Restaurant offer a tantalizing array of flavors. Plus, with various transportation options conveniently close, saving time and money has never been easier. So are you ready to elevate your stay experience like never before? If so, head straight to amberstudent.com to book your ideal stay at Caledon Court Aberdeen today.